This is what I do. I use my GoPro to make crocheted items. And then I advertise them on YouTube so that others can make what I'm making. My biggest problem is that my battery winds down very, very fast. So I thought about going to Best Buy and get another GoPro battery. But while I was in the store, I saw this instead. This is the Refuel battery pack, and it's made by Digipower. It comes in a very nice solid piece. Under here is an attachment, one of two, but I'm using the one for my GoPro. To place the GoPro camera into this is a super simple thing. Right here you'll see here's where you have it plugs into the charge for the GoPro, but you lift the little tab and it comes right open. This is so much nicer for what I'm using it for than the GoPro case. That I've been using. Okay, now before you can do that, you have to remove the little cover here on the side. Let me show you how simple it is. I took this one off, but you can place it back on. But when you open it up, make sure that this door slides all the way to the end, and then it comes right off. And you see those that little prong right here. Just be careful you don't break them. They do sell replacements at GoPro. So let me show you how simple it is to install this thing. Just take this, place it down, and slide it in, and close it. Okay, let me get this. There we go. And it locks right in. Now, since I'm not using this for waterproof reasons, I'm not too concerned about it, but I'm sure that it does very well. Now here you can see, here's the on and off. Here's if you want to start video recording. This is the on or off for the Refuel itself. And here's the charging port indicators. This right here is a waterproof cover for the charging of the battery pack itself. Here it's in the lock position, and here is the unlock position. Now this is a little hard. There we go. But it's because it has a waterproofing. Now you notice that I'm in the unlock position, and there's a little lift area here. Nice thing about fingernails. Okay. And this is the charge port for when you want to charge it up. And it has a nice O-ring cover for when you want to close it. So I'm given the impression that it is waterproof, and I keep mine in the lock position to make sure that no dust and whatever else gets inside of it. When my battery is low, I'm probably showing this to you at a bad time because I do have 82%. because of the charge that I leave it on, I have it on 1080 and 60 frames per second. My charge goes by very quickly. So when I run low, I just turn this guy on. You can see I've already used some of it. And I can still continue operation after I'm charging it. Now, even though it said USB connected, it's still charging. Okay, can you see the little charge symbol up there going? I really like this. It's all in one pack. I don't have to worry about anything. The audio on this thing is amazing. I'm serious. It's amazing. It does not sound like you're in some muffled, doesn't sound like it's in this case. Let's just put it that way. It works very well for me. I highly recommend the Refuel Digipack, made by Digipower Action Pack rechargeable battery. I highly recommend this guy. Thank you, Digipower, for making this. You have saved my crochet. I hope this has been a useful video for you. I highly recommend this battery pack. There are some things that they do talk about for if you're doing it for action, for making sure it stays on tight and everything else. Everything that you need is in this pack. You will be happy that you bought it. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.